안녕! Hi everyone! 여러분, 안녕하세요. 저는 마미입니다. 만나서 반갑습니다. Charot. Okay, so I'm doing this unboxing video at the request of my sister. And so here it goes. I ordered this one from Shopee. Shopee free shipping. Charot. And I wanted to order this one from Weavers. But then shipping fee via I think the shipping fee for this one is quite expensive, so I just ordered this one from Shopee, and it was that person was a seller from Korea. So happy to receive this one in the middle of um it all. Because yopa kaayo bitaw charot English kita na kapoy bitaw siya kay ngano renewal period kayon karon sa mga business permits, and it's so kapoy, so yupak kay daghan kay calls, daghan kay emails, daghan kay questions. So very happy and energized, yay, because nagpaabot na ako ang wonderful BTS nga Map of the Soul 7 puzzle. So personally, I like puzzles. One of the very first things, or one of the very few gifts that I received when I was younger, was a puzzle, and so they interest me. Charot sa, they interest me. Or charot sa English. So let's unbox. Ay, wala na dahil siya cover. So naka-cover na siya plastic, and it's like this. Iga. And just got home from work and I'm recording this video. So this is where I work. Ta-da! It's the Manaway City Business Permits and Licensing Office. And let's start. So I'll just remove the outbox and so this one has four wonderful uh wonderful wonderful ta-da, wonderful puzzles. And this one is the outbox. It has BTS Jigsaw Puzzle. This is actually BTS in collaboration with, I don't know, the provider of this Jigsaw Puzzle. So see, it looks nice and shiny and blue, and it has the Shimmerly Splendid, this one. Okay, so that's the outbox. And then these are the four wonderful um uh, puzzles with the photo cards. So let's look at the photo cards. So excited. So this is Map of the Soul 7 and so excited. Ta-da, ta-da, and ta-da. So for the longest time, this has been my wallpaper for my laptop, for the laptop which I'm using to record this video. And if you hear the song, this is me playing Spotify. This is BTS on Spotify. Don't forget to stream. Life goes on. And of course, Dynamite. So, Yogi-sa. Ta-da! Oh, so it has this one. What is this Pokemon? I think you can use this to put some thingy bells. And then, oh, this is one version. This is Mod 7 version 1, if I'm not mistaken, or version 2. This is actually Mod 7 version 4, and I actually have an unboxing of Mod 7 version 4. Yes, because that's what I bought. That's the very first BTS album that I bought. This is another version. I think this is version 2 or base na interchange na ko. This one is version 3, so I think this is very, see, it's useful, and I think I'll be giving this to some of my friends, depende sa sitwasyon. And so naing ani na mga photo cards. Ta-da! And ta-da! 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 Yes, they look so nice and so awesome. And ta-da! I big ones. And ta-da! So nice shop. Kay shining, shimmering, splendid, and glossy. It's shining, shimmering, splendid, and glossy, and makahappy. Tan. So yeah, it's shining, shimmering, splendid, and glossy as well. See? So nice. Nomo nice. So, pila ni siya? Natagak. Those of you might wonder kung tagpila siya. So this is I paid 2,500 for this all of these, including shipping fees. So I think not bad kay daghan man siya og puzzle pieces. I'll show them to you later on. Okay, see? Naa siya 500, 300, 300, and 150 nga puzzle pieces. And normally ang mga mga puzzle pieces kay mahal sila if imo siyang paliton. So for me, sulit na siya. And of course, because it's BTS, at the back is actually not a painting, it's a puzzle piece. It's, I think, a 1,000 something puzzle piece, but dili ako ang solve ana. Just got it randomly from somewhere. So solve na siya daan, aning ana na siya. So this one is a 500 puzzle piece, 500 piece puzzle. And mo na siya ang picture. Challenging ni ang white. Just ko, isang malaking struggle. See, especially the white parts, kay malaking struggle. And of course, I need to find also a wonderful frame for this one. Kaya wala siya ipakapi na frame. And of course, the pictures. So this is actually what I have. I have Mod 7, version 4, and I have these pictures. So let me open it. Yes. Yogi so. There is this one. What is this? It says Pojojon Yung Yo Hexa Yung Pang Pom. It's a thingy bell, wala bitaw kabaw, but it's nai water factor. Wa kabaw sa relevance to the theme ani niya. But and the puzzle pieces. Yogi stop. So it's in Korean. I think more ni siya og kanang para di siya magbasa or something. And the puzzle pieces, yogi so I will solve them later on when I will have the time and I will show it to you, hopefully. Pero busy gid kami karon, grabe busy kayo sa renewal. Mo jud sa COVID. Wala lagi dun tay COVID. And I think na instructions na written in Korean ingon siya Shinjonghanen Pangpop. I think it's wala ko kasabot unsa yang giingon. Pero kabaro kong basa Korean, hindi, I cannot understand everything. I only know very few words like 안녕하세요, 저는 마미입니다, 만나서 반갑습니다. Those words, 이렇게. And so, I will solve them later on, abangan. Kung na ako'y time, kanusa pa kaya. Kung sa renewal period. So, that's the 500-piece puzzle. And we also have this one. This one is a 300-piece puzzle. So, relatively easier to solve, I think, since 300 pieces roman sila. And challenging because of the black. Actually, lisod mag-solve og puzzle pieces kung wala shy design, because you only have to rely on the shapes. My goodness. But it's BTS, and BTS makes me happy, so masolve gid ni siya. It also has this one. So I think mo ni siya ang kanang para dili magbasa or something. Charot. Na siya absorbent. Camerlu. If you know what this is, comment on the comment box. Charot. Nabagoy mo tanaw aning unboxing. Anyway, again, I'm doing this unboxing challenge because of my sister. So actually, the 300-piece puzzles are smaller. As you can see, smaller ang iyahang puzzle. And iyang puzzle pieces. So, I will also solve them when I will have the time. Magsugod sa 150 pieces na puzzle. There is a 150-piece puzzle. Yo, so there's 150 and 300. So I'll start with the 150-piece puzzle so that dili kayo siya puzzling. It also has this one and of course the puzzle pieces. So you complete the puzzle pieces. So hopefully makomplete siya. Yogi-san. So later na lang siguro after all these years, after everything. This is the BTS 150 pieces puzzle piece. And of course, we have a 300-piece puzzle. So, ato pa ni siyang i-solve. And lastly, na ay sudlanan. I think if you know man kasi mga puzzle pieces, this can also be used to store BTS related stuff. So it's made of nice sturdy material. It's actually like what you see kanang gibaligya kay nila na pang storage organizer or filer or anything. And you know the boxes as well, pwede siyang ma-recycle. Sudlan o mga BTS stuff. So that's it for my unboxing of my BTS Map of the Soul 7 puzzle, jigsaw puzzle. So see you next time. Bye. Annyeong.